Hey out there, just want to share a quick video of a new Windows 10 feature I found, how to use the Your Phone app. And I have no idea why my text didn't come up there. Here's the Your Phone app, and this is what it looks like. I'm doing a screen capture here. And what it does is it allows you to do messages to out your phone from your computer. So I'm typing on the computer here, and it's going out my phone. There's a test, and I'm going to do a screen capture on my phone, and I'll show you that I received it. Sending, and here it goes. There, it just went. It does take a little bit. The bad thing about this is it's Android only. Now I am recording an iPhone here because an iPhone has built-in screen capture, so see, it worked. And here's another test, and I'm going to type back to the computer. Now obviously this is a phone-to-phone messaging, so I'm using an Android linked to the Windows 10 PC, but the Windows 10 PC I can actually type on it and it goes out the Android phone. So here, you'll see this in a minute. I don't know why I'm recording this so long. I could probably cut this a little bit, but there. Oh, and here's another feature that I have found, that Windows 10 has a built-in screen capture. Here I am just doing a screen capture using the Xbox. You have to pull up the Xbox application and press the Windows G button. Don't know why the G, but that's what it is. And here's a playback of that screen capturing. So this is how I'm actually doing the video, is using the screen capture feature. So and I want to show you another feature that I found. I'm building all this in Windows Photo app. So I used to use the Microsoft Movie Maker app that was in Windows 7, and with Windows 10 that doesn't work. So they built it into the Photos app, and here I'm trying to add text to it, and for some reason the text didn't show up. You saw earlier in the video what the text is, and it just shows up either black or grayed out. I'm not sure. There's obviously a bug in that, and if anybody knows why that is, they can comment below. I'm just showing a little bit of the photo app here, but I am using the photo app to actually create this video.